Welcome back. You may be in a position where your Xbox Live services are just not available. Now this can happen for really two main reasons typically. It's either a, Xbox server problem or it's a network problem. So I'll tell you right now, right out the gate, Microsoft is experiencing, or Xbox is experiencing a ton of requests where their services just aren't available. So it's technically down as of right now for a lot of people. But here is the number one way to determine whether the status of your Xbox Live is actually a you problem or a Microsoft problem. And really all you have to do is either go to the website linked down below where it says support.xbox.com, or you can just type in on Google Xbox Live status. And typically this is what I've seen a lot of people do, including me, to determine if anything's down. You go to this website and pretty much it'll tell you whether the status of your Xbox, either just in general, is either up and running or if there's a problem with it. Now there's a lot of websites that do this kind of stuff, and sometimes it may not be the most up-to-date thing, but for Xbox, because it's their own product, you can see that even the last time it was just updated was minutes ago, which is great. And it also tells you all the services that are running, that are currently up and running, and some that aren't. So in this case, for me, in my area, everything is up and running, which I think is good. But like I said, worldwide, it may be another issue. So you can see account and profile, online safety, it says friends and social activity, multiplayer gaming, cloud gaming, all this other stuff. It shows that for me, it's up and running. So realistically, if I'm experiencing a problem, it might actually be a network issue that I'm having. So if it's not this, if you go on here and it says things aren't running and things are wrong, then obviously there's nothing you can do. You have to wait until Xbox fixes their problem. However, if all of these things, like in my case, say up and running, the main way to go ahead and fix this, as I mentioned before, is pretty much see if your network has an outage or if there's network issues in general for your Xbox. So if it's your first time setting up your Xbox, make sure you typed in your Wi-Fi password and everything correctly. Make sure Wi-Fi is even on. If you're not connected to the internet, it's obviously not going to work. So you want to make sure that you're connected to the internet. And at this point, you want to go ahead and probably reconnect to the internet. So you may want to delete that Wi-Fi and go back into it and reset the password and all that stuff, and then log back in. And you should be able to see if it's actually working. If it is working, you're set. If it's still not working, I would recommend restarting your Xbox and restarting your router. Typically at this point, this is probably what will end up doing it for a lot of people. And even if you reset your Xbox, it may not even fix it. So resetting the router may be the better way to go. So I'd recommend going through resetting the router for your Wi-Fi and then try reconnecting and try going through to your Xbox Live or playing a game, whatever. If it still shows you that Xbox Live is unavailable, then I would recommend rechecking that Xbox status, or even checking on Reddit or Twitter or whatever places people typically complain about or go to when Xbox is down, and then I would recommend going through there and seeing if it's working. Typically at this point, you should probably have a good idea whether your Xbox services are actually down or if it's your network problem, and those are really the main ways to fix it. If you guys have any other problems or if you guys have any other solutions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.